Alright, we got rope.
Okay.
We got 1 1/4 inch screws.
Okay.
Those 1 1/4 inch screws will get, these are like T-nuts which will lock into the wood.
Okay.
And once these are locked into the wood, you won't have these loose anymore.
Okay.
And these will go together.
Will we be able to disassemble it too?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got 4 inch bolts.
Okay.
And they will get 4 wing nuts each.
Okay.
And we've got a lot of number 8 5-inch screws.
Okay.
And these will hold the backing down.
Okay.
We got pieces with angles and a hole cut in them.
Okay.
These are going to be the back braces.
Okay.
Make sure the hole goes at the bottom.
Okay.
We got a piece with notches in it.
Yes.
This is going to be the brace for these two. It goes this direction, horizontal.
Okay.
And we got 4 pieces.
Okay.
Bottom left and bottom right.
Oh, and you mark them.
Yeah, and I marked
Okay.
which piece.
Wow.
They're all drilled differently, so this is marked bottom as well.
Okay.
This will be the main part of the eagle.
Okay. Wow, that is amazing. That's crazy. Wow.
Your mama, boy!
These are the pieces of these are the captive T-nuts that are going to lock in.
Okay.
I'm going to start them here and then finish them on the other side. Because as the screw tightens, it pulls these nuts into the wood.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
How is the screwdriver? Is it
Not
okay?
very powerful.
No?
Yeah, it's not strong enough to lock these in.
Really?
We'll make it work.
Oh, shoot. It's,
Okay, so that's how they're going to lock in. When you take this screw out, that's going to stay in.
okay. Wow. You're a genius. I can't believe you did this.
I was going to paint it, but I didn't have time.
Oh my God, it's perfect. Are you kidding me? Because it's going to be behind anyway, right?
Yeah,
so it
yeah.
won't even show.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a work of art. So it's not even going through that wood?
No.
Wow, that's disappointing.
So that's how it's going to look once the T-nuts lock into the
Okay.
back of the frame. You want this piece sticking out of the back. Because you want the plastic to slide over it and be flush.
Okay.
And we do the same thing at the top.
Could it be that it's not charged enough?
Might be.
I mean, but the green light went off, so it's supposed to be, but...
Got power, I just don't think it has enough.
Could it be that the torque has to be adjusted?
No, I just adjusted it. It's the same. I think it's just not charged enough.
Maybe I should just get a new battery for my battery-powered drill.
Yeah. The drill's got more power, so
Yeah.
it gets faster.
Because I think my battery is dead on the battery-powered drill.
Right.
So I need a new one. I need a new one anyway, so.
Stand it up if I can need.
Okay, I'll get out of the way. Now wait a second. Can I transport that like that on the top of... No, I don't think so, because...
But it's probably better to take a break and start.
Dismantle it, yeah. I just found out I have termites.
Not good.
No, it's not good. Downstairs in the basement.
Alright. So everything I just assembled from the back.
Okay,
This will be what I'm standing in. This is going to be the front.
okay. That makes sense, because the front is the flat part.
Right. And they apply. Yeah, put the belts in backwards.
Oh, okay.
I'll fix that.
Oh, I love this. They get the seats from the lumberyard and they just throw it in the street. You know what I do? I call the numbers on there. You want me to...
Yeah, let me just hold it for a second. Got it?
Yeah. I call the numbers on there because they have the idiots have their numbers on there. And I say, oh, I think your workers forgot a very important piece of paper with all your information on it. And I make them come here and pick it up. And then when they get here, they're like, oh no, this isn't important. I said, well, it's important that you don't litter. Wow, that's amazing. This is really easy. You made it really easy.
Yeah, it's simple.
It's amazing.
Okay, and the rope. The rope is for these holes.
Okay.
From here to here, in case the legs start to spread out.
Oh, okay.
And this goes here. You're going to want to take the concrete block,
Yes.
slide this through the concrete block, and then lock it into the notches.
Oh, wow.
It's done.
Hi. Wow, that's amazing. So now the concrete blocks are going to be standing up.
Right. And that's going through them.
Okay, got it.
Concrete blocks will be here and here. So you can
Wow.
and take the rope. And you may not need the rope, but I would do it just in case and tie it through the hole here to here. Just so the legs don't spread.
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. That's amazing.
Never thought you'd have a shed for Yom Kippur, did you?
I don't agree with this configuration, but I'll accept it. I'll allow it. We'll allow it.
Wow. He's a
I would have
genius.
liked to be consulted, but it's acceptable. It's functional. The functionality is not in question.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Hard to put all the plastic on.
Okay.
Plastic covers all of this.
Okay, so then we can hang the
Right. The way I would
decoration.
hold the paper on, if you've got 2 or 3 inches,
Yes.
I would before you put the first sheet on,
Uh-huh.
fold the paper over this about 1 inch around the
Oh,
back.
okay.
I would keep the whole thing rolled up. I'd fold it
Oh, I see.
and then screw along the top. And that's to hold the top of it.
Now, instead of screwing, can I, that sounds really bad, can I, staple it?
You could, but I mean the screws are easier to remove than staples.
Oh, true. Okay.
She's used to screwing, that's why she asked.
And you can tape all of this plastic together so it'll just fold out. And you'll be able to put
That's
them all
amazing.
together. And I made one big one.
Wow.
And I would just screw it right here
Uh-huh.
and just let it float instead of screwing it all the way at the bottom.
Oh, I see. I see. So just screw it in at the top of it.
Right. I'd screw it here and here.
Okay.
And then just let the paper roll down the bottom of it.
Okay.
Don't go all the way to the bottom of this. You stay slightly above the hole drilled in here.
Okay.
Because you're going to have the rope going through there anyway.
Right. Wow, that's amazing. That's genius. Thank you so much. So you calculated everything so that the holes, when the blocks are standing up, will fit right through the wood will fit right through the holes.
The blocks are 16 inches high,
Right.
and it's about 1.5 inches to the first hole.
Okay.
So this should fit right through the block.
Okay. Wow, that's a work of art. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Chris.
Now I need to put the screws in the right direction. And these are the screws for the plastic.
Okay.
And you're not going to need all that rope. It's like it's only 4 feet from here to here.
Okay. Wow. Thank you so much. Just one question. So we're going to redo the screws on the top. We're going to do it the other way?
Now.
It'll be easier to transport if I disassemble it, if we disassemble it. So in other words, this should hold, this material, when it's fastened to the wood, should hold the decoration in place
Yep.
without any tape.
Only thing, I wouldn't put any tape up here. I would just screw it and let the plastic hold it up.
Okay.
If it does need tape, tape it. But
Okay.
if you can get black gaffer's tape, you can just trim the whole outside up. Trim all along outside edge.
What kind of tape is it?
Black gaffer tape.
Okay.
It's real easy to tear and pull tape.
Oh, okay.
It's really good on paper and everything, really.
Okay.
I'll put them up. Of course.
Wow. That's amazing. Thank you so much.